Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with VS Code. I'll show you how to install VS Code and how to set up everything correctly. To set up VS Code is easy and quick. You can easily download the VS Code application from the official site and give it a try. VS Code is a cross-platform free code editor which can run on macOS, Linux, and Windows operating system. VS Code is one of the best code editor out there that developers use to run their applications. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up, how to add extensions, and even run a sample application. I have a sample React.js application that I'll show you how to run it with VS Code. To get started, you can open your browser and download the software. So let's begin. To get started, open your browser. For my case, I'm using Chrome. Then you can search for VS Code. Then you can wait for the page to load. Then you click VS Code, Visual Studio Code, code editing will be defined. So you can download VS Code for Windows, macOS, or Linux. For my case, I'm using Windows. So I'll click here, download for Windows. VS Code is a lightweight but powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop, and it is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript, and Node.js. So I will use VS Code to run a sample React.js application. So once the download is completed, it can come to your downloads, programs. Then you can start the installation process. You must agree or accept the agreement. You click next. Ensure every option is checked there. You also create a desktop icon and add to path. Then you click next. Then you can now install. Setup is preparing to install. Then you can wait for the installation process to complete. VS Code is best for a developer who is getting started because it has extensions that you can use to run your applications. You can have Python extension, Jupyter extension, Pylons, C++, Live Server. There are a lot of extensions, and I will show you how you can find those extensions in VS Code. So the installation has completed. Then you can click finish. So let's test out VS Code. It has started automatically. It has launched. It has launched VS Code. So it has created it has launched a welcome page. So it has opened our React app application. Let us close it. This is our React app application. You can open it with VS Code, open with code. Then this is a simple React application. You can come here to source and up the years. It has simple hello world application. So if you want to get your extensions, you can come here to market extensions. I've installed some few extensions here, like Docker. I have some Docker extension, ES7 React extension. So we are running a React application. So this extension is essential. So to run this application, you can come here to terminal, new terminal. I'm using Git bash, so you can come to this drop down and select Git bash. You can close these other tabs. So to run this application, you can run npm start because it is just a simple hello world application. I've also integrated Git bash. If you don't know how to integrate Git bash with VSCode, I have a video in my YouTube channel. I'll also attach the video link in the description so that you can see how to integrate Git bash terminal in your VS Code. Okay, you can give it a moment for the application to start. After a few minutes, our React.js application has started and compiled successfully. You can now go to localhost 3000 to see your React.js application. So you can see the application has run. Hello all. So this is how to set up and run VS Code in your machine. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.